In a lush and bustling forest, there stood an extraordinary tree named Willow. Willow was no ordinary tree. She possessed the ability to feel the emotions of the animals and creatures that resided in the forest. This special gift allowed her to spread love, empathy, and kindness to all. One day, a young squirrel named Sammy was feeling quite sad. Sammy had lost his favorite acorn, which held great sentimental value for him. He wandered around the forest, searching tirelessly for it. Seeing Sammy's distress, Willow called out to him. "Sammy, come closer," she whispered with care. Startled, Sammy looked up at Willow. Willow gently said, "I can sense your sadness, little one. Tell me what's troubling you." With tears in his eyes, Sammy explained how he had lost his cherished acorn and how much it meant to him. Willow listened attentively and comforted Sammy. She assured him, "Don't worry, Sammy, I'll help you find your acorn. But remember, material possessions are important, but the love and connections we share with others are even more precious." Inspired by Willow's words, Sammy cheered up and decided to share his acorn with a squirrel friend who had lost its food supply. This act of kindness not only made his friend happy, but also created a stronger bond between them. Word spread through the forest about Willow's ability to understand and comfort the forest creatures. Animals would often gather around her, sharing their joys, sorrows, and fears. Willow would offer words of encouragement, love, and understanding, making the forest a place of warmth and compassion. One day, a frightened rabbit named Ruby approached Willow. Ruby was scared of the approaching storm and feared for her burrow and little ones. With a reassuring smile, Willow said, "Dear Ruby, take shelter within my branches. You and your little ones will be safe here." Ruby and her babies found refuge in Willow's strong branches, and as the storm passed, she was filled with gratitude and a newfound sense of security. The animals of the forest realized that Willow's strength lay not just in her branches, but in her ability to care, empathize, and offer comfort. They too began to share their kindness with each other, creating a harmonious and caring forest community. The moral of this story is that true strength lies in our ability to understand, empathize, and care for others. Just like the caring tree, we can make a significant difference in the lives of those around us by offering comfort, love, and compassion. Together we can create a world filled with kindness and unity.